everyone, and welcome to another enriching episode of MidSynapse podcast series. I'm your host, Hetvi Shah, and today we are exploring a highly relevant topic, which is preventing diabetology and patient doctor relationship. As diabetes continue to rise globally, the focus on prevention rather than just treatment has become paramount. Prevention relies not only on medical strategies but also on a collaborative, trust filled relationship between patients and their healthcare providers. This relationship is key to empowering patients to make lifestyle changes and stay informed. And to help us unpack this similar topic, we are honored to have with us Dr. Anuradha Kapoor, a distinguished diabetologist based in Mumbai. Dr. Kapoor has an impressive career spanning over 25 years, marked by her commitment to preventive diabetes care. She is known for her patient-centered approach. Dr. Kapoor's passion lies in minimizing the need for medications, advocating for impactful lifestyle changes. Her expertise and dedication have made her a respected leader in her field and a true advocate for proactive diabetes management. So welcome, doctor, and it is a pleasure to have you with us.
Thank you, Hetal, for your kind introduction. So I'm really happy to be here. So friends, we all know that diabetes is a chronic and progressive metabolic disorder. That means once you have developed this disease, it remains lifelong with you, and it can lead to various type of complications. So complications affecting your eyes, we call it retinopathy, diabetic kidney disease or DKD. एंड इसी तरीके से हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम, नसों की प्रॉब्लम, डायबिटिक फुट. सो दीज कॉम्प्लिकेशंस आर ट्रीटिंग दीज कॉम्प्लिकेशंस आर वेरी वेरी चैलेंजिंग. इन फैक्ट these complications, once you develop these complications, it is really difficult to go back. मतलब irreversible होते हैं. सो एडवांटेज लेकिन ये है कि these complications can be effectively prevented. सो विद द राइट मेजर्स, मतलब हम इन कॉम्प्लिकेशंस को प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं, बहुत आसानी से प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाई डायबिटीज इज truly a disease of prevention. So preventive diabetology emphasizes that from the first visit, डॉक्टर अपने पेशेंट को प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स में रख देता है to delay the development of all these diabetes related complications, जिसमें मैंने कुछ ही नाम लिए हैं. So there are a lot of complications. So the effectiveness of these measures depend on how early हम डॉक्टर्स को कंसल्ट करते हो, कितनी जल्दी आप करते हो. डिले नहीं करना होता है. अगर आपको प्रिवेंशन चाहिए तो आप जल्द से जल्द हमको कंसल्ट करो. और इफेक्टिवनेस ऑफ दीज मेजर्स डिपेंड ऑन हाउ अर्ली यू कंसल्ट एंड along with the regular checkups like every 3 to 6 months annually. That in these checkups involve consultation, tracking the lab parameter, physical exams, and along with this lifestyle modification at different levels and many other strategies. So along with these strategies, nearly all complications either can be avoided or can be delayed. So this allow our patient to live a better life rather than just being getting prescribed medications. So through proactive management, with early intervention, lifestyle modification, and regular monitoring, we can reduce the risk of diabetes onset as well as its complications. So this makes preventive diabetology a vital approach in today's healthcare landscape, where diabetes rates are steadily increasing. अभी तो इंडिया को तो डायबिटीज कैपिटल बोला जा रहा है, तो बढ़े ही जा रहे हैं. तो मैं I personally believe in preventive measures.
That is very insightful, doctor, and it is also clear that prevention can actually transform patient outcomes in diabetes. So building on that only, so what key lifestyle changes do you recommend to patients to help them prevent diabetes?
Okay, so the key lifestyle changes I would recommend to prevent the onset of diabetes. So, onset of diabetes being a metabolic disorder, there are certain risk factors that can put our patient at high risk of developing diabetes. तो ये risk factors क्या होते हैं? जैसे सबसे ज्यादा तो आपका होता है inactive होना, unhealthy diet खाना, या आपके अंदर ओबेसिटी का होना वगैरह वगैरह. तो बेस्ड ऑन दैट हम उनको बोलते हैं कि आप बैलेंस डाइट खाओ. डाइट शुड बी रिच इन whole grain, fruits, vegetable, lean proteins, and we suggest them to do the regular physical activity, at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week, not very high intensity exercise, but moderate exercise per week they should do. And they should also maintain a healthy weight through the proper diet and exercise. We guide them how they can maintain healthy weight, and also we suggest them stress management techniques like mindfulness, yoga, or deep breathing exercises, meditation, etc. And we also suggest them to get adequate sleep, like 7 to 8 hours sleep is necessary. In addition to these lifestyle changes, हम लोग रेगुलर लैब टेस्ट करते हैं, रेगुलर फिजिकल एग्जाम सजेस्ट करते हैं, और फॉलो अप करते रहते हैं, so to see the progress. So these changes often combined can significantly reduce the risk of developing diabetes, and similar changes can reduce the risk of developing risk of progression of pre-diabetes to diabetes, or progression of diabetes to complications. So these changes are हम suggest करते हैं at every level. So these are the set of preventive measures that we use whenever patient first consult us.
So those are really some practical recommendations, and as you rightly mentioned, it helps at every stage of diabetes, from pre-diabetes to very complex as well. And I also imagine that consistency should be key here.
Yes.
Now, coming to the next question. So in your experience, how effective are early screening and monitoring in preventing the progression of pre-diabetes to diabetes?
Great. So, as I mentioned, diabetes is truly a disease of prevention. So, suppose a patient come to us in a pre-diabetes stage. So, if we adopt all these preventive measures that I अभी पहले जो मैंने बोला है, तो with this we can stop the progression or delay the progression of pre-diabetes to डायबिटीज. सो ये इस अगर वो हमें लेट में भी अगर वो पेशेंट्स हमें अगर कंसल्ट करते हैं, तो हम ये सारे प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स अगर लेते हैं, तो ये दीज प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स आर हाईली इफेक्टिव प्रिवेंटिंग द कॉम्प्लिकेशंस. तो वो हम अपनी प्रैक्टिस में, हम लोग रूटीन प्रैक्टिस में डेली एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं. सो दीज आई वुड से दीज मेजर्स आर हाईली इफेक्टिव in identifying early diabetic cases, in identifying like pre-diabetes I told you, and in identifying like early changes. जैसे अगर आपको कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशन डेवलप हो रहा है, तो उसके अर्ली चेंजेस वी कैन फाइंड इट आउट, और टाइमली इंटरवेंशन से हम इनका प्रोग्रेशन को स्टॉप कर सकते हैं. सो प्रिवेंशन इज द ओनली की टू सक्सेस ऑफ डायबिटीज मैनेजमेंट.
Right, and I also feel that it is so fascinating to learn how early intervention can make such a huge difference as well. Now, speaking of interventions only, I feel patient education must be essential during this process. So, how do you approach educating patients about preventive measures?
Great question. Actually, patient education is the integral part of preventive diabetology. When we are aiming for the prevention of diabetes, तो ये it is a like हमें साथ में करना है. तो फॉर दैट वी नीड टू एजुकेट आवर पेशेंट. सो व्हेन पेशेंट्स आर वेल इन्फॉर्म्ड, लाइक वी काउंसिल आवर पेशेंट, हम उनको बताते हैं कि आपको किस टाइप की बीमारी है, आप इसको कैसे टैकल कर सकते हैं, उसे प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. जब पेशेंट जान जाता है कि उसको कैसा मतलब इलनेस है, और बिना डॉक्टर के और उसके इन्वॉल्वमेंट के, इनफैक्ट फैमिली इन्वॉल्वमेंट के हम नहीं कुछ कर पाएंगे, तो वो भी मोटिवेटेड फील करता है। सो हम उनको ये भी समझाते हैं कि अगर हम कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ मेडिकेशन, लाइफस्टाइल मेजर्स एंड रेगुलर मॉनिटरिंग करेंगे तो उनको बेटर मतलब रिजल्ट मिलेगा। So when patient understand how they can actively contribute to the decision making process, they are more likely to take an active role in their health. So patient education empowers our individual to make informed health decisions. Simplified information, visual aids, and personalized guidance are the best way to enhance understanding and motivation. So ultimately leading to better outcome. मतलब हम पेशेंट को गाइड करते हैं, चाहे उनको विजुअल कुछ उनको दिखाएं या वीडियो दिखाएं, या फिर हम उनको हमारे वो होते हैं फ्लायर्स होते हैं जो हम उनको भेजते हैं, या फिर 1-to-1 या ग्रुप एजुकेशन में वी एजुकेट आवर पेशेंट. सो पेशेंट एजुकेशन इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ प्रिवेंटिव डायबिटोलॉजी. विदाउट दिस वी कैन नॉट अचीव प्रिवेंशन.
That is really insightful, and I think right kind of education is also important, and the source of through which you are getting information is also very important.
True.
Now, but there are always challenges that you might face in promoting these preventive measures, especially with patients who may not initially prioritize them. So could you focus a bit more on that?
Yeah, there are two types of challenges every doctor faces. So these challenges are of two types. One from the doctor's side and another from the patient side. दोनों का ही challenge हमें face करना पड़ता है. तो doctor's side में if we see, so preventive diabetology requires significant effort. It is not like just you have prescribed the medicine. That is easiest way कि आपने मेडिसिन लिख दिया, भाई अब जाओ, अब घर बैठो. बट इट इज नॉट इन द प्रिवेंटिव डायबिटोलॉजी. इसमें बहुत ज्यादा एफर्ट होता है, लाइक continuous counseling at each visit, which can be very, very time consuming. So this may be discouraging, like especially when you consider the current pay structure कि मतलब हमें उस consulting fee में डॉक्टर कैसे इतना ज्यादा टाइम देगा. तो टाइम जो है, टाइम तो देना ही होता है. अगर आप पेशेंट को काउंसल कर रहे हो तो यू हैव टू गिव टाइम. जब आप पेशेंट को ट्रैक कर रहे हो, मॉनिटर कर रहे हो, तो यू नीड अ टाइम. बहुत टाइम लगता है, बहुत डिस्कशन होता है. पेशेंट एजुकेशन आई टोल्ड यू कि मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट, तो ये ड्रॉबैक हो सकता है. तो उस पर हमें काम करना चाहिए, दोनों को करना चाहिए. और पेशेंट की साइड से देखे जाए तो अब ये प्रिवेंटिव डायबिटोलॉजी टीम एफर्ट होता है. इसमें बहुत सारे लोग इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, ढेर सारे डॉक्टर्स होते हैं. टाइम पे वी हैव टू टेक कंसल्टेशन फ्रॉम दोज डॉक्टर्स, एंड वी हैव टू डू फ्रीक्वेंट लैब टेस्टिंग, डाइट काउंसलिंग एंड मेनी मोर. सो पेशेंट माइट फील like they need to pay extra for these services, may question why they should invest in prevention when they don't have the actual disease. So this could be like, थोड़ा सा डिस्करेजिंग हो सकता है. बट ट्रस्ट मी, आई नेवर फेस सच काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. आई मैनेज. मेरे पेशेंट बहुत ही वेल मोटिवेटेड होते हैं. सो मेनी पेशेंट में फील हेल्दी, रेजिस्टेंट टू चेंज, मेकिंग इट चैलेंजिंग टू प्रमोट प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स. सो it requires consistent communication. We need to address misconception, emphasize the long-term benefit of preventive care to foster adherence. मतलब अगर आपको adherence चाहिए तो you need to continuously motivate our patient, counsel them. Building trust, demonstrating how these measures can lead to a healthier future are key to encourage our patient to prioritize preventive measures. So this is how we do it.
I think it should work both the ways.
Yeah,
You
both the
mentioned
ways.
that even the patient should give their 100%, even the doctor should give their 100%, take regular follow-ups and
Yeah.
everything.
Without doctor-patient relationship, it can
Right.
never be achieved. That is the first most important requirement of preventive diabetology.
Yes, definitely. That is a key thing, I feel, not only for preventive diabetology, but all the diseases as well.
Yeah.
So now lastly, with the World Diabetes Day around the corner, What key message would you like to share with the public about the importance of prevention and prevention of diabetes and patient-doctor collaboration?
Yeah, so we have already discussed about patient, how important is prevention, how important patient and diabetes collaboration, and how patient education forms the integral part of preventive diabetology. So on World Diabetes Day, I would like to share the message that prevention is better than cure and it is powerful. And managing diabetic risk factor early can significantly change the outcome and prevent the onset of diabetes and its complications. So a strong collaborative patient-doctor relationship is essential in this journey, as it empowers patient to take control of their health while ensuring doctors can guide them through the effective preventive measures, strategies. So together we can reduce the burden of diabetes and improve the quality of life for millions. So together, doctor, पेशेंट और उनकी फैमिली, हम तीनों मिल करके, ये 3 मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट होते हैं प्रिवेंटिव डायबिटोलॉजी के. हम जो डायबिटीज जो कि एपिडेमिक की तरह हो फैल चुका है, हम इसको बहुत अच्छे से टैकल कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.
That is such a beautiful message, and I think everybody in all domains, all the people should take from this message is that a patient-doctor relationship is really important to maintain. So as we wrap up today's session, thank you so much, Doctor, for sharing your valuable insights with us. And your expertise and dedication to preventive diabetology truly shines through. And I'm sure our audience will find this conversation both informative and motivating. So thank you so much, Doctor.
Thank you.
And thank you
to
to
audiences.
And thank you to our viewers for tuning in today. And remember, if you're a healthcare professional who is eager to delve deeper into medical topics or have questions, do not hesitate to join us on the MidSynapse platform. MidSynapse platform is not just a resource, it's a dynamic space where you can connect with your medical peers, participate in meaningful discussions, and contribute to the ongoing evolution of healthcare. So until next time, remember, prevention is powerful and together we can make a difference. Thank you.